Okay guys, like always, I forget to introduce myself to the vlog. Hi guys, my name is Marlena. If you like all things fashion, lifestyle, travel, and decor, this may be a new channel for you. If you like what you see, I'd love for you to subscribe. Okay guys, back to the video. I am always doing projects and very late coming on to tell you guys about them. I haven't done a video in so long. Sorry if I'm looking the wrong way. I think I'm looking at you guys. I don't know if I'm looking at you guys, but y'all get the picture, right? So I am starting home renovations, and again, I'm late, so I've taken my home apart without showing you what it was prior to. So what I'll do is I'll post some pictures somewhere off in this video and show you guys my home before, and I'll show you guys some pictures of my home after. But let me show you what's going on right now. Okay, so this is my foyer. I am now currently getting some extra lighting. So I'm getting can lights. As you can see, one finished over there and over there. Getting can lights in my front room. I'm thinking about getting a coughed ceiling. I'm not sure about that right now. I'm redoing my stairwell. Stay tuned for that. And that's about all. And then just some new somethings in this room. I'm not quite sure what, but this room will stay white. That will probably stay the same up there because I like that, but all that'll get done. I've taken all my family photos off of here, which was like a black and white little to do. Again, I'll post pictures if I have them of what it was prior to. We have gotten central heat and air put into our home, and these old, what do you call this? The radiators will be removed, and all of that will be patched up. They've already cut off the bottoms of them. They're no longer in use. So the foyer is gonna be pretty basic. Now, I just set this photo up here. This was not the photo that was over the piano. I'm thinking about getting rid of the piano. It was here when I purchased the house 18 years ago, and I'm kind of over it. I think my husband loves it, but we'll see what happens. But this picture right here used to be in my living room right back there. You guys can kind of see like the dust, part in the dust, but it used to be back there over the sofa. I have something going on with this wall right here. Also, we're getting the lights put into the dining room. I'm getting my outside windows done, but that's another story. Moving the plants and stuff over. Another radiator that's being removed. There used to be a mirror right there. There will not be a mirror right there. Okay, let me double back, sorry. There used to be two mirrors right here as you come into the door. You know, check yourself out. As you're leaving out the door, you check yourself out. But I have something else in mind for right there. This archway right here, it's kind of remnants to me of the oldness of my home. My home is an older home, and I'm trying to update it. Oh, another thing I forgot is I'm getting ready to get all my baseboards replaced, and we're going to get the archway of both of these redone, and it's going to be square. Back to the living room. I'm going to remove all of this right here. And I got a whole new vibe that I want for my living room. You guys will see in the after. Moving on to my dining area. As you see, the radiator right here, that will be removed. I think I told you guys back in the living room, that radiator will be removed. This right here, right now, it has been so many different things in my home. It has been an office. It has been like a storage area. This is now where I keep all of my daycare items in here. and we bring them out as we need them for school. So that's like a storage hub. It was neat, but now it's just holding all the things in my house, because as you can see, my house is quite bare, and anybody that knows me knows this was not the state of the house prior to. So this is getting ready to turn into a bathroom. This is still going to be a closet to hang your coats and jackets and things like that, but it's going to extend all the way to the back, where the current bathroom that is in the kitchen will no longer be. So that's a whole nother story too. This room is getting the can lights as well. I'm not sure if I'm changing out the ceiling fans right now, to be continued. I'm thinking that the color will stay the same in here, because that room will be white, this room will be white, and this will stay this pretty light gray color that I really love so much. And then I'm gonna take you guys into my kitchen. It's a mess, but I'm storing everything that was in the house in my kitchen, so pardon the mess. This is the bathroom that I was talking about. This will be closed off, and then the kitchen will just like circle all the way around. This will no longer be an entrance. No, I'm sorry. This will no longer be an entrance for this room. This, I'm hoping that this door will move over this way for the bathroom door, and then this will move over here, and then I have like some nice design for that aesthetic. And of course all baseboards will be removed and replaced. And just to show you guys why, if you see right down here, all of that is like old trimming, and it's different sizes and all that. So I want everything to be uniform. If you can see right down here, you can see where it's one style and then they stuck another style prior to me getting here. And I've been in here a long time. I've made it beautiful for me as long as I could without doing any updates. You know, it's time and place for everything. So now that the kids are gone, and let me turn you guys back to me. So now that the kids are gone and they have their own homes and lives, I am taking it upon myself to update my house to my likings as best as I possibly can. So that's what's going down. When it's warmer outside, I will show you guys the things that we've done on the outside, which I think I have a video of some of those things that I didn't post last year because I was working on the outside of the home last year, and I think the outside of my home is absolutely beautiful. But yeah, I'll be posting all that stuff and putting pictures in. And this is just a documentary reminder for myself of what I am doing with my home. If I think of anything else, I will let you guys know. But right now, I'm starting with the lower level. I plan on doing my basement and my upstairs as well. So yeah, it's going to be a lot going on. So y'all wish me luck. In the midst of this all, I'm still actively working and trying to do social media and trying to travel. It's a process, but my mind is strong. And when it's not strong, when y'all see me on here and, you know, I look disheveled, y'all just tell your good sis or your auntie, whatever you want to call me, just tell me to breathe, okay? Just tell me to breathe. Right? Okay. All right, bye. That's all, folks.